Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we install the Personas template and explore its contents. To install Personas, head to the Templates section from Admin Home. Then use the search function. Select the template. The window provides a brief description, features, usage, and contents. Using this template, you can accurately visualize how an employee experiences your workplace. When ready, select Install. Once the template has been installed, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Locate and select the persona model. This model has been pre-configured with properties to store data for the creation of a persona, like goals, needs, and abstract. Now head to the Pages section to find more new content. Locate and select the Personas page. This page contains a list block with your populated personas. If you're yet to populate the persona model, you won't see anything here. Select Write Persona to create your personas. This opens the Write Persona page in a modal window. After creating your items, select any of them from the list block. This opens the persona page. We're using Asher as an example. On this page, you can see a header and a persona menu. You can edit this by heading to the Menu section, accessible from Admin Home. Select the menu and make any necessary changes. Your personas become useful when you create content, meaning you can personalize by persona to ensure your content reaches the right audience. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.